Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Judge, congratulations. I'm not going to ask you to comment on any Supreme Court precedent or how you're going to rule on cases. I just want to try to, as Senator Durbin suggested, get to know you a little bit. You serve right now on the Los Angeles County Superior Court. Is that right?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Is the Los Angeles County Superior Court, in your opinion, systemically racist?
Thank you for that question, Senator Kennedy. So I think that questions regarding racism, regarding systemic racism, again, are very important ones for policymakers to be focused on. I'm focused on my day-to-day work as a judge on the cases that come before me, and I think that I best serve my duty as a judge by keeping that rigorous
and
focus.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but we have so little time, and I've got several questions. Do you consider the court to be systemically racist? You sit on it right now, or not?
Again, Senator Kennedy, I feel that I best serve my duty as a judge by focusing on the individual cases that come before me, individual questions.
But the court is an institution. Do you is it? I mean, I think it's a pretty straightforward question. Is it systemically racist or not? The Los Angeles County Superior Court.
I understand your question, but I think that those kinds of questions are best left to policymakers, and that as a judge, that what I need to do is to focus on my cases.
You don't want to answer it. I get it. Explain the Erie Doctrine to me. You're going to see that a lot on the Ninth Circuit.
Thank you for the question, Senator Kennedy. Now, in my 14 years as an attorney, as appellate advocate, having handled many different cases, I never had a case regarding the Erie Doctrine. I'm sure I learned about it in law school. Yeah. I don't recall it sitting here before you now, but I'm certain that I'd be able to look it up and find the answer for you and come up to
Are you familiar with Erie v. Tompkins?
I am familiar with the existence of the decision. I'm sure that I read it in law school. I haven't read it recently.
Okay. All right. Name a public policy that you think is a good idea but is unconstitutional.
Thank you for the question. Given that I am a sitting judge and a judicial nominee bound by codes of conduct, I don't think it would be appropriate for me to comment on policies that I believe are constitutional or unconstitutional.
No, I'm not asking you to do that. I'm saying, tell me a policy that you like that has already been declared by the courts that's unconstitutional.
Thank you, Senator Kennedy. So I, as a judge now, and again, if confirmed, am bound to follow Supreme Court precedent. I'm bound to follow Ninth Circuit.
I know precedent. That, and I'm running out of time. And if you don't want to answer, I get it. I've got other questions.
Well, I'm sorry.
Can you name me a public policy? I'm not debating the legality of it. I'll stipulate that it's unconstitutional, where that you think is a good public policy regardless.
Well, thank you. But in my view, I am not served, and my oath is not served by me commenting about my personal views, because my personal views don't drive what I do as a judge, which is to follow the law in every case without reservation, right, whether I think something is a good or a
I'm
bad
running
policy.
Out of time, Judge. I still don't understand any of your answers. Let me try one more. Here's a hot topic. Tell me the legal basis for a universal injunction.
Thank you. So injunctions are governed by Federal Rule of Civil Procedure 65. The court has said that injunctions are an extraordinary remedy, and I understand that they are. So the legal basis for a universal injunction or a nationwide injunction is whether it is necessary to give the plaintiffs complete relief, but without imposing an undue burden on
Is that case law or constitutional law?
that's case law.
And what's the cases? What are the cases?
I can't cite for you the specific case, but I've reviewed cases about universal injunctions and understand again that that's an extraordinary remedy, very fact-bound determination about whether those should be issued.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Chairman.